Dear Jesus, please show me how to spend this day, sharing your love in every way. Help me to be kind to everyone, to play and laugh and have lots of fun. Shining your light and angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love to meet me here. Ever this day.
Suddenly I'm seeing everything so different. Like I'm looking at the world through a brand new lens. Every shade of green and blue, and it's all because of you. I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. Found a story that we saw. Every moment is a song. I'm hearing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday. Sa malakas. Ayan, sabay-sabay nating batayin si Baby Kobe. 3, 2. Ayan, unahin ko na si Mami. Ano po ang birthday wish mo para kay Baby Kobe?
Happy birthday sa ating dalawa. Happy birthday, Mami. Naiyak ako. Birthday ko, Mami. Kobe. Lumaki ka maayos. Kailangan sila maging sanay. Maging matawag ka na. Dito lang si Mami tsaka si Dad.
Ayan, thank you, Mami. Para sa inyo ang gagawin ng birthday message mo para kay Baby Kobe.
Birthday ko, Dara. Ay, birthday rin. Happy birthday, baby. Ayun, dito lang kami ng mami mo. Ayun, nagsasakripisyo, palagi lang sinugan sa'yo. Sa ngayon, maunawaan yung sasabihin ko, pero ayun, pag lumaki ka na, sa tuwing may gagawin kang mga importanteng bagay sa buhay mo, sa pagde-decide, palagi mong idulog sa Panginoon na yun. Mahalaga yun. Ayun lang. Happy birthday!
Hello, it's Mommy and Daddy. And you may now blow your candle. Blow your candle naman. Mommy, since your birthday na rin pala.